ka Indian Youth Congress Meghalaya menta kasngi kala penlong ya ka jing pelaj pajba ya ka jing Yakob kren ha Congress Bhawan Shillong kani ka jing Yakob kren kandai ka national level competition ha ka baki nongjop na ka jala kinyo ban leit yakun ha Delhi bat ki nongjop ha kani ka rensan kinyo banlong kinong ai ktien ka Congress ya kani ka jing pen khap ribon lawan ban prida ugoravjen national spokesperson ka Congress harengkat kinong yalam ka IYC Meghalaya.
I believe that unemployment is a big issue. Many of them might feel that rising fuel prices is a big issue. So whatever they feel is a big social issue. They can
Last
talk
but
on
not the least, women's safety,
Yeah.
which is the biggest issue in our country during this regime.
No. You don't have to be a member of the Congress. You just have to be. You have to register through a link, and you can be of any political affiliation. But it'll be a sort of Congress's ideology program. So, no, we'll make sure that they don't get arrested for just making a speech. It's not that bad right now. I hope.
Entry fees 100 rupees only. Last date of entry 31st May. 31st May is the last date of name enrollment of competitors. Assembly and district level competition will be held from 1st June to 31st July. Assembly and district level competition will be held from 1st June to 31st July, and state level competition will be held from 1st August to 20th September 2022. State level competition 1st August to 20th September. And जो लोग स्टेट लेवल कंपटीशन में हमारे जो भाई और बहनों जो लोग क्वालिफाई करेंगे उस सबको लेकर नेशनल लेवल में जो कंपटीशन होगा वो है ग्रैंड फिनाले. वो ग्रैंड फिनाले चलेगा 30 सितंबर, 1 सितंबर एंड 2 अक्टूबर गांधी जयंती के दिन. ये है नेशनल लेवल कंपटीशन जो होगा 30 सितंबर से 2 अक्टूबर तक. ये कंपटीशन टोटल अरेंजमेंट होगा IYC हेडक्वार्टर्स में. This is the total schedule. This is the total timing schedule of Young India Cable Season 2.
You will be selected as a national spokesperson. So it's a one-shot play to the national team. If you speak really well, then you will be able to become part of the national spokesperson team, which is a big of Indian Youth Congress. You have to be clear.
Open to all. No?
This is open to all. But who believes in Congress ideology?
Congress ideology.
Who believes in Congress ideology but is non-political, who belongs to
If a
non-political
person from
background,
NPP wants to
yeah,
become a Congress
will back
spokesperson, then good for us.
Yes, he will join.
He will join Congress then.
Yes.
Because to be a Congress spokesperson, you'll have to be part of the Congress team.
This is open to all platform. But if you want to participate in this competition, you also journalist, you are from non-political platform. But if you believe in Congress ideology, you will be always cordially welcome in our platform.